Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at the Bitcoin and is it going for the retest down closer to $80,000 again after hitting our zone that we were targeting as our first zone around the level of $89,000. Let's talk about all of that in this video. But before that, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So as I have said, we have been in the downtrend and so far nothing really has changed in that regards. This current rebound that we are seeing, guys, has been a rebound as what I have been saying. Now the point is that we got to this zone of 88 to 89 and this is where I mentioned that okay, now we want to see if we will do a bit of a pullback for the retest somewhere here. It doesn't have to go all the way to 80,000, but this is where we gotta at least first size down, and as if we start to lose 87, which we have done, you got a little bit size down more, and then we'll see if it eventually breaks out above this zone. So it hasn't done that yet, but can it do that? Well, it can, but it all comes down to what is the price action telling us. Right now, it's doing a bit of a pullback. The breakout is we'll have to wait for that. Otherwise, right now, we are trying to do a retest. So let's get to the hourly interval and we'll take a look at a couple of other things as well over here. Now, before jumping there, let me actually adjust a couple of things on my tools. And if you need access to my tools, guys, just check out the details in the description of this video, okay? These tools will help you to understand where the price action is, what is it telling us, what are the important levels to watch and everything. Okay, so right now, and oh, look at the we had a little bit of a liquidity grab down here over here, and that was the part of a pullback that we pushed up, but we still rejected there. And right now it's trying to hold around just below 87, hasn't really fully recovered above that, but it's still trying to hold that zone. At these places, definitely keep your position light because we are not in a proper uptrend. We are still in the rebound phase. And as if we continue, unfortunately, lower, like you can even use like $86,000 area at this, like a size down more of your position if we start to lose that, right? But at this point, yeah, it all comes down to can we get above 88 to 89,000? That's what we really need to see. And otherwise, yeah, we are actually in the multi-day weakness again. And as if we don't come back up and we start to dip again to 86 below, this is you can use this as your trailing area as well. First trailing area was 87, no questions about that. That's the sign that you gotta start sizing down because it's a rebound only right now. So you have to be very careful in the risk management because we are just, it's not like properly bullish, as I said, it's just a rebound right now. So and as if we lose that, so unfortunately then we will go for the retest below 86,000. Retests could be also 84,000. As I said, level by level, it doesn't have to go all the way to 80,000, but what I want to show you is the $80,000 is very likely possibility as well. And Bitcoin, as it's not overall bullish yet, it's just a bullish rebound only. Bitcoin can stabilize foundation, make its foundation here for days and weeks, okay, until it shows us a proper longevity of an uptrend. Because let's get to the weekly interval. I want to show you something here in the past, what has happened with Bitcoin at a certain area. So let me actually do that real quick. Let me bring you there. So here, if you notice, this particular month of February of this year, this huge wick down here, right? This is a really good buying signal, right? For the week, like it went from $96,000 all the way to $78,000 that very week, right? Of the month of February. So it's a really, oh yes, now we're gonna go up, right? But no, what it did is it did the retest the next week down there. Okay, it's still not over, it's not back then overall bearish because it's still holding that demand zone. It did then another test with the liquidity grab next week. I'm on the weekly interval. Then next try to go up, then it grabbed more liquidity down there and then finally shot up. So after that, even the candle formed of a potential sign that okay, we may continue up. It took it after that 6 weeks and 7 and then confirmation. So almost around 2 months before this thing made a run up. So, and that's what I wanted to highlight as well in this video is yes, we did see a lot of buyers at $80,000, no denying that fact. But yes, and this could be a very good foundation again, but the thing is that as if we are trading it based on our horizon of either multi-day or swing, a long term is not bullish. But if we are looking bullish from multi-day and swing, so is our horizon until that price action holds, because we are not yet fully overall structure bullish. And that's the whole point. Is it going for a retest? But that's the levels to watch, that's the zone to watch, those are the price actions to watch. That's all what I want to talk about in this video. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. All right, take care, bye.